Closing arguments today in the so-called House of Horrors murder trial. Investigators say they found the remains of infants inside Erica Murray's Blackstone home. The arguments seem to center around her mental health and if the deplorable conditions inside the home caused harm. Our Roslyn Flaherty joins us live now with the latest. Roslyn?
Brittany, this morning, the prosecutor called a rebuttal witness who's a psychiatrist. He says Murray showed no signs of a mental illness, while the defense says she is a troubled woman. Closing arguments Friday in the so-called Blackstone House of Horrors murder trial. Erica Murray faces several charges, including second-degree murder and assault and battery. In 2014, investigators found 3 dead infants inside her home and found 2 younger children covered in feces. After more than a week of gruesome testimony, the defense argued Murray is mentally ill. Her attorney says there is no evidence the filth inside the home would cause death or disease, and says the infants found were stillbirths.
It is a tragedy for everybody involved, but it's not a murder.
The prosecution says Murray is not mentally ill and had a doctor testify Friday saying she showed no signs of it. They argued Murray knew what she was doing and say the conditions inside the home could spread disease and even cause death.
There was an attempt to not just dispose of the bodies, but to dispose of what could be incriminating.
Again, Murray waived her right to a jury trial. The judge will issue a verdict at a later date. Roslyn Flaherty, Worcester News Tonight.